We are ready for this Christmas and New Year. Are you ready? Up to 20% discount is live in our website. Do check it out for beautiful range of Kanjivaram silk sarees listed. And hi to all the lovely people. This is Priyanka here from Kanjivaram. In this video, I'm going to take you through pure Kanjivaram silk sarees with Silk Mark certified, and all these sarees are in the price range of 7,000 and it goes up to 16,000, starting from Air India, pure Kanjivaram to Rettapet Kanjivarams and many more. Let's get started. The first saree is what I'm wearing in a deep brinjal purple and dark green combination with Rettapet border on both the sides. The Rettapet has muttu seer with 3 and 4 strips, making it a Rettapet on both the side of borders, and body has vertical muttu seer in gold and thread weaving throughout the body, making it a very traditional weave with contrast pallu in green, and pallu has very rich seer pallu and it will give you that very traditional and authentic look with the contrast green blouse. The next is again a beautiful brinjal purple with Air India weaving. It is technically an ettukol weaving technique where 8 rods are placed in the loom to achieve this weave, whereas in usual loom it would be in 4 rods. To achieve this kind of an ettukol technique, we need 8 rods. It's basically an korvai weave as well. The authentic ettukol would look like this at the back side, like no traces of zari when we look at the back side of the sari, and that will guarantee that this is an authentic ettukol weave. And you can see temples. Temple is woven as an Air India pattern, so technically we call this as a Air India weave, starting from the front and it goes up till the pallu. You can see a fashion of temples woven along the border area, and the body, the top part is kept plain to highlight the ettukol weaving technique with the monotone, again an ettukol very rich pallu, and it also has seep, which is nothing but the comb structure in the ends of pallu with monotone blouse. You can also this monotone blouse has this temple butta to attach it for your sleeves. You can also pair this sari with a nice bottle green blouse, or you can try sky blue or the turquoise blouse to give it an contemporary weave. A must have Kanjivaram, and it is also an inspired Rekha Kanjivaram as well. Next is a very pretty lime green pure Kanjivaram, and you can see Varisapet borders on both the side. We have both silk weaving and the thread zari weaving, gold zari weaving on both sides of the border. Body has pink horizontal lines to make it very traditional weave again, and that's a very rich pallu in dual tone pink, and that's the dual tone pink blouse. Perfect for this upcoming festive season and one of the minimalistic Kanjivaram in my opinion. The next is this, again a very retro combination in pink and deep wine maroon contrast korvai borders. The top border is a smaller one and bottom you can see a bit broader one. The border has nice designer paisley motifs than the usual borders, and the body again has the Persian inspired buttas throughout the body. And that's a very rich pallu which would complement our body buttas and the border with the contrast wine purple blouse. The next is this dual tone peacock blue, and we have a Kalarenna border on both the side and 3 floral strips woven in the borders with horizontal Vairavoosi strips woven throughout the sari with monotone very rich pallu and the monotone blouse. You can also style this sari with a contrast pink blouse, or to give it a neutral look you can try with an off-white blouse, or a deep purple, jamun purple blouse would also be a perfect choice. All these sarees are listed in our website. Shop online at www.priyanka.in. We are also available in Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest and YouTube. Like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Comment in the comment box what you want to see in the next video. We'll make sure we'll showcase it for you. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you again in another video.